good morning student. Today we are going to discuss about question number 41. First of all, I read the question for yourself. Okay, you can see the question from the book. A, B, C, D are four partners are there. A, B, C, D. The profit sharing issue is given 2, 2, 1, 1. Okay. They distribute the profit of 31 March 2019 90,000 without providing the following. इन्होंने प्रॉफिट 90,000 बांट लिया था. क्या क्या चीजें देना भूल गए. ए को सैलरी पे करना था 15,000 रुपीज पर मंथ. सैलरी बी और डी को पे करना था 30,000 रुपीज क्वार्टर टू ईच पार्टनर. मीन 30,000 रुपीज क्वार्टर के हिसाब से इनको सैलरी देना था. तो हम सैलरी पे करना भूल गए. वी हैव टू पास द एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री. ओके, सो सैलरी पे करना भूल गए. सैलरी पे करना दैट मीन सैलरी विल गो टू द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. ओके, यू हैव टू पास द एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री. हियर द प्रॉफिट को आपको कुछ नहीं करना. प्रॉफिट एक प्रॉफिट गिवन है, इसको कुछ नहीं करना है. जब टू रेशियोज आप गिविंग दे तो हम प्रॉफिट एडजस्ट करेंगे. प्रॉफिट को भूल जाइए. ठीक है, we making a fast adjustment table, particulars A, B, C and D in form. Okay, these are the column being given there. A, there are two parts of A account, one for the debit and one for the credit. B, there are two parts, debit or credit. C capital account, there are also been two parts, debit, credit. D, there are also two parts, one side for the debit and one side for the credit. This is your form. Form is also having debit and credit. Okay, now the question says, what do you forget? Salary पे करना भूल गए, तो उसको राइट डाउन है सैलरी. तो पे करना है, लिख दीजिए सैलरी. क्वेश्चन से A you have to pay 15,000 rupees per month. 15,000 into 12 for the whole year become 1,80,000. सैलरी क्या करते हैं, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में क्रेडिट करते हैं. तो A को पे करना था 180. For B it says you have to pay salary 30,000 rupees quarter. How many quarters in there? 4. So 30,000 into 4 it comes 1,20,000 rupees. Okay, and you forget the given salary to D also 30,000 rupees quarter. 30,000 into 4 120 in the credit side of D capital account. C को कुछ पे नहीं करना है, कोई बात नहीं बनती है. इसके अलावा you don't need to pay anything. Question being done. अब हम टोटल करेंगे. That total will come to partners capital account debit. तो from it will go debit side. It comes 4,20,000 rupees to the debit side. Okay, nothing is being paid. Now we see the balance of the firm. Firm is in debit balance. If अगर firm में debit balance है तो debit में बटेगा. Credit बचा है तो credit बचेगा. 4,20,000 debit side. It will distribute in debit side. What we write down? Division of rupees 4,20,000 ratio is given in the question. The ratio stands for 2 to 1 1. 2 to 1 1. Okay. For A, how we calculate for A? I'll let you know. Total losses 4,20,000. A का ratio 2. Total stands for 6. Okay. Will come 140. Loss will come to the debit side. 140 for A. D for the same 2 upon 6. 140 for D and 1 upon 6. That means 70,000 for C debit side and 70,000 for D also 1 upon 6. Partners capital account debit. From it will go to the credit side. Total करिए कितना आएगा 420. Okay. The form being closed 420. Okay. Now we are going for that. How we make the adjustment? First of all, A capital account. Debit side total 140. Credit side total 180. कंपेयर करेंगे कौन सा बड़ा है, क्रेडिट वाला. डिफरेंस कीजिए कितना बड़ा, 40,000 रुपीज. तो 40,000 रुपीज से अकाउंट क्या होगा, क्रेडिट होगा. Same process to the B. Debit side total 140. Credit side total 120. Which one is bigger? Debit. How much? 20,000 rupees. So 20,000 rupees account क्या होगा, debit होगा. C 70,000 to the debit side. Credit side कुछ नहीं है. This account 70,000 debit is bigger. This account will also be debit. D debit side 70,000. Credit side 1,20,000. Which one is bigger? Credit side. Difference कर लीजिए 50,000 रुपीज. तो 50,000 से अकाउंट क्या होगा, क्रेडिट होगा. Okay, sorry, credit. Okay, so A का अकाउंट क्रेडिट होगा और B का C का 20 क्या होता है डेबिट कम फर्स्ट, तो B कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, C कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, to A कैपिटल to D कैपिटल. Now we write down credit. Which mean debit? B. So B कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट. How much? 20,000 rupees. C capital account debit. Okay. How much? 70,000 rupees. Who will be credit? A. Being given there. A capital account. How will be credit? We calculate 40,000 rupees. D capital account. Also be credit. So D capital account will also be credit. 50,000 rupees. Okay. The amount of debit and credit is equal 90 and 90. Narration pass being adjustment will be pass, and that way the question is done. I hope you understand. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you.